Hello everyone, the title of this tutorial is Understanding Equality Sign. You can see the symbol here. It signifies what is on the left hand side is exactly with what is on the other side. Take for instance, if you have 2 here and you have 2 here, you can confidently say that they are the same. This is why we use this equality sign. They are exactly the same. If you have 5 here, you have 5 here, they are exactly the same. But the question is, why do we have something like 2 plus 3 equals 5? Seeing 2 and 3, they are not the same as 5. Yes, the only reason why we use equality sign here is after simplifying the left hand side, it will eventually be equal to 5 and 5 equal to 5, and hence they are equal. I gave you one instance in the morning where I said you should get 2 containers with each containing 20 cm cube of water, and you should freeze one to make it an ice. Then at that moment, can you say that the 2 are exactly the same? No, they are not the same because they are in different states. If you have 5 boys in a classroom with 5 girls, can you say that they are equal? They are not the same because they are opposite gender, right? But in terms of quantity, they are the same. 5 boys, 5 girls in terms of quantity. So let me use scale to explain this properly. This is a scale, right? At equilibrium, meaning this side and this side have the same weight. What happens if you add maybe 20 grams here? 20 grams here. The position of the equilibrium will change. Because this one will be much heavier, so it will go incline, something like this. But the moment you add the same quantity to the other side, 20 gram, the scale will be at equilibrium, meaning the same position, right? So this is an example of equality sign. It means that what is on the left hand side is exactly what is on the other side, talking about quantity. And the moment you remove maybe 5 grams here, this becomes 15. Then this one will be much heavier because this is 20, this is 15. So it will go incline like this. This is why whenever you are solving an equation, whatever you do to the other side must be done to the other side to maintain the equilibrium position of that equation. Let me give you an instance. If you have maybe 3x here plus 1, and the other side, maybe you have x, let me say, plus 5. We cannot, though the statement said they are equal, but we have to confirm whether this statement is true. What is that value of x that you can impute here so that the left and the right hand side must be the same? So let us relate with our scale. Seeing x here and another x here, I would like to bring them together. But the moment you remove x here, a single x, since initially the statement said that they are the same, having this equality sign, by removing an x here, this one will be much heavier, so it will go like this. So you have to remove an x here to maintain balance. So I have to remove one x here. Initially they are what? 3, now they will become 2. You see that? I don't want to see 1 here. So if I decide to remove 1 here, I have to remove 1 here because removing 1 here will make the equation imbalance. So this one will be much heavier. It will go down and this one will go up. So by removing 1 here, this becomes 4. 2x equal to 4. You know, we are going gradually. 2 times something equal to 4. So if I should divide this by 2, I have to divide the other side by 2. Maybe I have 4 bags here, 4 bags here. If I divide this by 2, it becomes 2. I have to divide the other side by 2 to maintain balance. So if I divide this by 2, it becomes x. If I divide this by 2, it becomes 2. It means that that value of x is equal to 2. So let us plug it back. Remember what we have earlier was 3x plus 1 equal to x plus 5. All right. If you take 2, you plug it here, it will be 3 times 2, which is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 5 is also 7. Yes, this means that the equality sign is true. The statement is true. What is on the left-hand side must be exactly with what is on the other side, even if your eyes are not seeing what we mean, but they must maintain that equality symbol. 7 equals 7, no matter what the condition. So if they are in different states, you cannot say they are equal, right? Having two identical twins, you cannot say that these two identical twins are equal. Yeah, because you may see them exactly the same, but in terms of some biological things, though I'm not good in biology, but I know that genetically they may have something different. So you cannot say they are the same. But in terms of quantity, you can say this is one person, this is one person, in terms of quantity. But you can use this to show that they are strongly connected, almost exactly the same. So we use this type of, what do we call it? Approximately equal to, or you can use this, 1, 2, 3, to show that they are almost exactly the same. They are equivalent. But for that equality sign, it signifies that what is on the left-hand side must be exactly with what is on the other side. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.